Meaning of dilemma.
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 Dilemma. A dilemma refers to a situation where a person is faced with two or more difficult choices, each with its own consequences, making it hard to decide which option to pick. When someone is in a dilemma, they may feel conflicted, confused, and uncertain about what to do. This can lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and even regret. Ultimately, the result of a dilemma depends on how the person chooses to act and the impact of their decision on themselves and others involved in the situation.